when I was sick, your grandmother,
Yeah, we
She
give
used
lugaw,
to-
crackers and royal.
she used to give me lugaw, crackers, and royal.
Oh, you know
Then
that.
after that, I'll be okay after that. So yeah. So yan guys, ito yung pinaka interesting part ng pagbabike-bike natin. Yan, dito tayo ngayon sa may Lumi House. Itong Lumi House, isa ito sa pinakasikat na Lumi House dito sa Dubai. Ang binabalik-balikan namin dito yung lugaw nila, talagang napakasarap ng lugaw nila. So yan. Oh, look at that.
Piliin mo ang Pilipinas.
Piliin mo Pilipinas. How's the Filipino bread compared to paratha?
No, parata.
You used to like paratha and roti. Why now you like Filipino bread?
Because I like ensaymada.
Ensaymada? You like it? Wow! Woohoo! How about you, madam? How are you?
Waiting for the lugaw.
How's your business?
Alhamdulillah.
Tell them your business if you...
You buy again so we can eat
Tell
here.
them what is the... This is for YouTube. This is not for Facebook.
Ah, okay. You buy this Fave Collection perfume. It's inspired perfume. It's very good quality.
Wow! Look at
Buy now so we can gala-gala.
May online business tayo, yung Fame Collection. Umpisa namin, it was established 1 year ago. So yan, and after 1 year, alhamdulillah, it's going very well. So yan, kung gusto nyo ng inspired perfume, punta nyo yung channel natin, Facebook page natin at Fame Collection. So yan, this is what we are waiting for. Look at that. And guys, ito yung lugaw. Yan. Panalong-panalo yan. Early morning guys. Kaya tinatawag ko to na routine breaker. Talagang nabibreak yung routine mo. Alam mo yung used to be na nag-iisip ka ng kahit anong mga kaguluhan sa buhay. Pag andito ka sa sitwasyon na to, kahit na naiisip mo pero tinatalo siya nung happiness, yung saya na nararamdaman mo. Kaya I urge you to wake up early morning. Go outside for walk, go outside for bike, go outside for everything, any activities that make you happy. And yeah, for us, what makes us happy is biking, and after biking, eating. Look at this. So, yan guys, ito na yung lugaw natin. Talagang super panalo yan eh. Yan. Patat. Super sarap guys. Talagang mapapawaw ka. Sarap.
Lugaw overload.
That you know lugaw before. You know what? Lugaw before when I was sick. Your grandmother,
Yeah, we give
She used
lugaw,
to-
crackers and royal.
she used to give me lugaw, crackers, and royal.
Oh, you know that.
Then after that, I'll be okay after that. So yeah. So lugaw is my medicine before.
That's the thing.
Because there's no money to bring me in the hospital. There's no money to bring me to the doctor. But
I'm sick.
only the medicine of my mother, your grandmother, is lugaw, royal, and
Guys, back then, yung soft drink was healthy.
why before?
The royal.
Royal.
So yan guys, hanggang dito na lang muna yung vlog natin. So yan, kung dumating kayo sa part ng video na to, if you like our video, please do like. If you don't like also our video, please like anyway. So thank you, like and follow. Thank you, bye bye. Say bye bye to everyone.
Bye guys, piliin mo ang Pilipinas.
Bye to
This is
everyone.
Putok. Bye-bye.